So welcome back for my 36th class of 36th chapter for MySQL database. So here we are using MySQL admin. Admin won't work here because we don't have this admin access. But let's see here. We'll just not give up. We'll just try it on, see what we can do. So renaming table, atomic rename and table reload, we can do that. I guess this doesn't require any admin access as such in this. Let's try this. So we have table T. So rename table T to T old, T copy to T. I hope this should work. So let's see if it works. So we have this table T, right? So we are renaming table T to T old. That's 69. Oh no, wait. Oh, but we don't have T copy too. So we have to create that table and do this. You know what? We'll just use a different table in this class. We'll just use this is there, right? Yeah, this is there. So what we'll do here is we'll use table 1. To be very careful with this syntax. Syntax is very important. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it did work. So what it did was wait. Alright, we did this one, right? Changed. Okay, so we use this and we just not this, we use table 1. Oh, the table 1 is gone. You know what, the table 1 is gone by doing that. So let's find out. See here, because what we did here, okay, let's find out the SQL here. We'll just put this. Okay, so here we are just renaming it to the table and to T, and we are deleting the table. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do here. So let's go to the next one. Create table new like real. Wow. This doesn't work. Yeah, this is not a good SQL actually. Just don't worry about this SQL, that's not a good SQL. So we'll go to the next one. Change root password. Now you don't want to change the root password. Root password we don't use. See, this is MySQL mostly you will be using in the Unix. So this is working. This is not working. ShellX might not be working right now. I have to activate that ShellX actually. The ShellX is good. Let me activate that ShellX. I have access to that. Yeah, I know this. Let's ShellX. It's wrong website, I guess. Okay, good. This is good. I have this access, and guess what? We have this. Let's go to my profile. Okay, I'm in good, correct profile. Go to this panel. Oh, this is activated. Should work. This shell is active. So, okay, so should work here. shell is active, so just use this before, and yeah, I guess it's supposed to always use that one. So Udemy at 123. Alright, this is a good shell actually, but I hope this has some admin access too. So let's try MySQL. Oh, too bad, we don't have that. So Greg's had this actually. So if you have this MySQL, we can change this into this Unix. Okay, so this gets more into Unix actually. So MySQL minus u root minus p old password plus new password. You can change the root password. So root, if you put root, you don't have root. Yes. Even if you put correct password, it will not allow you to do this. You're not in that, so you cannot go into the root of this. So there is no. So this is for more about Unix. If you have access to the Unix, you can try this one. Okay, so this is Unix thing. So here it gets more into Unix, but the point is you can do the similar thing through Unix. If you have a Unix admin access, only then you can use this root. Root is used only as admin, super admin. You cannot, otherwise I cannot use it unless I have installed in my system and I am the administrator for that. But you cannot use it. So you can change the root password by this SQL, and you can drop similarly, and drop database. Wow, you can also drop database. You can drop schema. So that's pretty much about this. This was for admin. Admin is if you're going as admin, this would require, but otherwise not required. So that's pretty much. Yeah, thanks for watching.